Beer is a type of drink that adults can enjoy. It's made from four main ingredients: water, grain, hops, and yeast. Each of these ingredients plays an important role in making beer. The first step in making beer is to mix the grain with hot water. This makes a sticky substance called mash. The mash is then heated up and the sugar from the grain dissolves into the water. This creates a sweet liquid called wort. Next, the hops are added to the wort. Hops are a type of plant that adds flavor and bitterness to the beer. The longer the hops are boiled in the wort, the more bitter the beer will be. Some beers are very bitter, while others are sweeter. After the hops have been added, the wort is cooled down and yeast is added. Yeast is a type of microorganism that eats the sugar in the wort and turns it into alcohol. This process is called fermentation. The yeast eats the sugar and produces carbon dioxide gas and alcohol. Once the fermentation is complete, the beer is ready to be bottled or put into a keg. It's important to store the beer at the right temperature so that it doesn't spoil. Beer can be stored for a long time, but it's best to drink it when it's fresh. In conclusion, beer is made from four main ingredients: water, grain, hops, and yeast. The grain is mixed with hot water to make a sweet liquid called wort. Hops are added to add flavor and bitterness, and yeast is added to turn the sugar in the wort into alcohol. After fermentation, the beer is ready to drink. Tell me in comment section below what you would like to know in the next 2 minutes. Until next time, take care and have a good nap.